Good morning. It's Tom, and it's Tom's Radio Room Show, and it's about 6:15 in the morning in Clearwater, Florida. And I used to track um, airplanes, and the program I used, or the website I used before, was Flight Radar 24. And I actually many years ago applied to be one of the receiving stations to track airplanes. And I got turned down because I had too many trees in my yard blocking the signal to receive the data from the aircraft transponders, which gave information about speed and altitude and all that stuff. I got turned down because I had too many trees because they're operating up around 1 megahertz, well, 1 gigahertz, 1 gigahertz, and you have to have line of sight reception for your antenna to get good reception. So I got turned down because of all the trees blocking the signals possibly. But anyway, I kind of lost interest in doing that after that. I did get on the website that tracks um, boats and ships and stuff like that, and I do have a tracker that they sent me, and I've been monitoring and sending reports real time back to their station. And if you go to my area, which is Clearwater, Florida, you can see my tracker. But anyway, so with the latest tensions in Israel and Iran, I thought I would see if I could track planes over that area. Now, you would think normally military aircraft would not have their transponders on, so the enemy could not see where they're at. But since they're flying in the same airspace as commercial flights, sometimes they have to have them on so that the other aircraft, um, non-military aircraft, know where they're at. So with flight radar, it doesn't do a very good job of tracking military aircraft. I don't know why. So I did some investigation and I found this website, which is globe.absexchange.com. And they have an option that you can track only military aircraft. And that option is up here with this button right here, and it says only show the YouTube and other military planes. So right now I'm seeing several planes over in Israel, and I'll just click on one of these, see what it is. So there's a commercial airplane, Boeing 737. That's not what I'm interested in. So let's click on U and see if it shows any military aircraft. And it turns out that it's designating that one, that 737, as a military aircraft. Either that or because I clicked on it. Now that's why. Okay, so now we're going to have to zoom out because I see right now I see no aircraft being shown, military aircraft being shown. Before I started this video, there were several of them in this area. Now here's one over here, and this is a A332, which I have no idea what that is. See what it is. It says Task Force 404 from the UK, military. See, it says military. So this is an Airbus from the UK over in this area. And if we slide over, and it doesn't want to show me the history of where it's been for some reason. There it is. There it showed. Now, if we zoom out, out, not in. So you can see it's showing several, and a bunch up here. This is probably Ukraine area. So this took off from UK, and it's flying over to this area. I don't know. To me, that's kind of interesting. Um, and like I say, over here, I think my geography is not that good. I think this is where, maybe not. I was thinking this is where Ukraine is, because there's a number of military planes over there. And I'm looking for, let me zoom in. I don't recognize, I wish they would, on their map, highlight the, the countries. Yeah, I apologize. I'm not very good at geography. But let's just, here's a helicopter. See what the heck it's doing. That's that says military and says it's registered in Romania. That's interesting. There's probably, see, there's, on this particular website, I just started using it, so bear with me. There's a whole bunch of options. And there's probably one option that gives you a different map. Oh boy, I tell you, I should have done a little homework on my geography about where exactly is Ukraine. I mean, I'm assuming it's in this area because look at all the military aircraft. What's this big boy here? That's a C-17. That's definitely military. Click on him. Whoa, he's been all over the place. C-17, see what else it tells you here. From the United States, of course. Okay, let's zoom out. See where it came from. This is probably Germany. So this, look at this. This is showing a lot of military aircraft. Right now, this is supposedly real time. So I just thought I'd show it to you this morning. Might be something you might be interested in, especially with all the things that are going on over in Ukraine and now down in Israel. And it's getting kind of scary about what kind of conflicts can grow in the United States involvement. Check it out. If you're interested, leave a comment. Let's tell us what you think about it and what your interests are. Quite a few military aircraft up in the air here. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.